It's like damn deluge. We never see rain like this in the summer. And look, there's hail in there, man. Look at that. That's hail. This is crazy. There we go. I cleaned the screen. Now you can really see it. I had to clean my lens. Look at that. That is nuts. That's a straight up deluge, guys. Got freaking sleet falling. It's not hail. It's sleet. It's not big enough to be hail. They're gonna call it hail, but that's not what it is. This is how we do our winters, man. Deluge. Alright, I'm gonna hop off here, guys. I got a show to watch. Later.